Yeah, so hello and welcome again. Once again, we are here with a new topic which is about the FIFA winners and martial art and belts. You know, these are the two pages from our next education book of 7th, class 7th general knowledge. Okay, so let's start our today's class. First of all, we will discuss about what is FIFA. Here you can see an image of an athlete who is more energetic about the FIFA World Cup. Okay, so here is one more image. Let us discuss the topic. So FIFA is an acronym used for the Federation Internationale de Football Association. है ना? It is called the FIFA. It is an association that organizes major worldwide football tournaments and the World Cup. And even after 1930, देखो the first World Cup was played in 1930, but Women's World Cup was first commenced in happens in 1991. Okay, so it is held every 4 years in different countries, different countries. Okay, so now, yes, what is the name of FIFA? It is the Federation Internationale de Football Association. Okay, so now let us discuss. We have to match the host countries and the years of FIFA tournament with the winning countries. Before that, we will look some of the more slides. Yes, so here you can see, beta, this is a stadium, है ना? Stadium where FIFA World Cup held for the first time. For the very first time, the FIFA World Cup was held in this stadium. It is situated in Uruguay. Where is it situated? It is situated in Uruguay. Okay. Yeah. So this is the first stadium. Yes, this is the very first ball, world's official first football. The ball is used in first FIFA World Cup final 1930. 1930 World Cup, which is which was held in Uruguay, and the champion of that football tournament is also Uruguay. Okay, so first World Cup of FIFA was won by Uruguay. Okay, here is the team. You can see this is the Uruguay team, है ना, who are the winners of 1930 FIFA Football World Cup. Yes, so this is the recent football tournament held in 2018. The next is going to be held in 2022. Okay, so in 2018, the FIFA World Cup was held in Moscow. It was held in Moscow, and the winner is, who is the winner? Here you can see the image. France and Croatia. France versus Croatia. The final was between these two countries, France versus Croatia, in which France won the title of 2018 FIFA World Cup. Okay, so this is the France team. Here you can see on the slide, this is the France team. Okay, now let's back to our questionnaire. Here is it. It is okay. So match the host countries and the years of FIFA tournament with the winning countries. Okay, so let us discuss one by one. So first FIFA World Cup held in 1930, and it was won by Uruguay itself. I have told you just now. The next Football World Cup, Italy. It was held in Italy in 1934, and winner is also the Italy. है ना? Italy won the 1934 FIFA World Cup. Now next, after that, there is a gap of, देखो, FIFA World Cup is to be held after every 4 years, but from 1934 to 1954, there is a gap of 20 years due to some circumstances, the fightings that are going on that time, that you will later on you will learn about those, the war between the countries and so on, है ना? Their whole the European part was fighting with each other. That is why for 20 years the FIFA World Cup was not held. After that, in 1934, the FIFA World Cup again held in Switzerland, and the winner of that tournament is the West Germany. Okay, West Germany won that cup. Okay, so now next is the next tournament was held in 1958 in Sweden. Okay, football World Cup held in Sweden, but it is won by Brazil. So it's the first time for Brazil that they won the FIFA World Cup. Okay, so the World Cup which was held in 1958. Okay, so the next one is 1966 FIFA World Cup, which was held in England, and it was won by England itself. Okay, the very next World Cup that was held in 1966, so it was won by England itself. Now the very next after that, the FIFA World Cup held in 1978 in Argentina, and that FIFA World Cup was won by Argentina itself. Okay, after that the next World Cup was held in 2010, held in South Africa, and this is won by Spain. This World Cup was won by Spain. Okay, now the next 2014 है ना, preceding to the previous FIFA tournament, इसके just पहले, तो it was held in Brazil and it was won by Germany. And the last or the previous one held in 2018 and it was held in Moscow and won by France. है ना, the final was between France and Croatia, in which France put the 4 goals in spite of the Croatia. They only managed to 2 goals in the finals. Okay, so this is the list of the all FIFA World Cups. This is not the list of all FIFA World Cup, but most famous FIFA World Cups. Now you have to tell me, here is your assignment about this page, that you have to search total how many FIFA World Cups already held. How many World Cups? Okay, and one more. What will be the host country of 2022 FIFA World Cup, where FIFA World Cup 2022 is going to be held? Okay, so these are the 2 questions that you have to find and send me. Okay, so yes, these are the images. Look, this is the previous FIFA World Cup held between France and Croatia. Okay, so thank you for this. Now we will discuss about the next page, which is about martial art and belts. So first of all, before that, we need to discuss about what is martial arts. Okay, so martial arts are the multiple styles of fighting practiced. It is a fighting practice. 2 people fight, but for the welfare of the belts only, है ना, for their self defense, not to attack, not to harm any person. Okay, so martial art are the multiple styles of fighting practiced with or without weapons for various purposes, including self defense. Okay, so this is most important, including self defense. The people who learn martial arts does not harm people, है ना, he just uses that to self defense, for the self defense. Okay, so some of the famous martial arts are karate, taekwondo and judo. Okay, these are the martial arts: karate, taekwondo and judo. Okay, but in every martial art, students are given belt, है ना, belt of different colors. You can see here, these are the belts given to different students. So what is the procedure of giving them? This we will discuss out later. So students are given belts of different colors to signify their level of experience in martial art, how much experienced they are. So according to their experience, there are different colors of belt. Okay, depending on the skills achieved, the grading and ranking of the martial arts belt changes. If someone improves, suppose white belt is given for the beginners. Okay, first answer is that the white belt is given for beginners. So suppose now he has more experience and he has won many of the tournaments of taekwondo, then his belt will be promoted, है ना, from white to black. Okay, so now let us discuss. So we have to read the clues. In next slide, these are the clues. So we have to write in order, है ना, we have to write the order in which these belts are to given a karate, learner, karate learner ko we will give out these, we will find out the order in which these belts are given. Okay, so let us read one by one. So the white belt is given to beginners. So okay, white belt किसको दिया जाता है बेटा? It is given to beginners. The blue belt is given to students who are gaining a deeper understanding of each move in art. Now here you can see, देखो, this one is the first order. First of all, those who learn the martial art or karate, anything, so they provide them the first belt, which is white belt. Okay, after that white belt, we have to choose the order. But here if we discuss about the blue belt, it is given to students who are gaining a deeper understanding of each move in the art, है ना? They predict about the next move of the opponent. Okay, so this will be not the second order we will discuss out later. Just let's read one by one. Then the next is orange belt is given to students who are expanding their knowledge in the field, who are expanding their knowledge in the field of martial arts or karate. Okay, now the black belt is given to students who have mastered all the skills. So you know that the final belt will be the black belt, है ना, because it is given to those students who have mastered all the skills. Okay, now the green belt is given to students who are developing new skills and learning new techniques to master the skills. Okay, so basically we can say that by reading this line we can say that these were the beginners, है ना. Now the next belt is the brown belt, which is given to students who have gained sufficient knowledge. They have enough knowledge about the skills and ready to combat. They are ready to fight. Okay, so I think after this brown belt, the green belt is given. No. After green belt, there may be the brown belt. Okay, we will discuss afterwards. The yellow belt is given to students who are open to accept more possible techniques and methods. Okay. Yes, so these are the details that are given about the belts. Now let us discuss the order. So first one will be white. Okay, yeah, this one is first. Okay, after white belt, yellow belt is given, because the yellow belt is given to students who are open to accept more possible techniques and method, but they are acceptable, है ना. They can accept any of the form in which their coach will train them. ठीक है, after they are accepting the challenges, है ना, they need to develop their skills. So for developing their skills, which belt is given? The orange belt. Okay, so this one will be the third one. Okay, after that, when they develop their skills, है ना, who are expanding knowledge in their field. अच्छा, okay, orange belt is given to students who are expanding their knowledge in the field. So after accepting more possible challenges, they need to know about the particular form, है ना, means they need the knowledge in their field, in the field of martial arts. Okay, so third belt, orange belt, is given to those who are expanding their knowledge in the field. Okay, after that, which belt is given? The green belt, who starts developing the new skills, है ना. So after gaining about knowledge about the martial arts, they need to develop their skills, है ना. After developing their skills means gained sufficient knowledge about the skills and are ready to combat. Okay, so after that it is given the blue belt. Okay, so after blue belt, which belt is given? Now we know that the last belt is black, है ना. So obviously the brown belt will be given after blue belt. Okay, so this one is order, which is 4 2 1 6 5 3 7. So you don't have to learn this, but you have to learn that first of all white belt is given for beginners, then yellow belt is given to those who are open to accept one or more possible techniques. Okay, so this is the order. You can save it by taking screenshot. Yes, now there is something more to know. So the first judo school was found in 1882 by a Japanese man called Jigoro Kono. Okay, its name is Jigoro Kono. He introduced the belt system in judo. The belt, we have learned 7 types of belt. Only Jigoro Kano is the man who introduced this. है ना? Our Indian Rabindranath Tagore, a Bengali polymath, was instrumental in promoting judo in India. So let us discuss about these two persons. So here you can see the image of Kano Jigoro. He was a Japanese educator. Obvious, he is an educator, athlete, and the founder of judo. है ना? Judo was the first Japanese martial art to gain widespread international recognition. From every country, they got the praising words about the judo, and the first to become an official Olympic sport. So, if someone asks you that what was the official Olympic sport, then you have to tell that it is a judo. Okay, so now we will discuss about judo in India. So judo is a sport which is widely played in India, of course. Now also in our city Chhatarpur also there are several belt holders. One is even the black belt holder. He is not living here, but their students give the coaching about the judos. Okay, so the first written record about judo in India in Kodokan is about demonstration. They demonstrate what is judo and coaching of judo by Shinzo Takagi. Okay, Shinzo Takagi, arranged at Santi Niketan in 1929 by Rabindranath Tagore. Okay, so this is the contribution of Rabindranath Tagore in judo. So the judo federation, now after that when judo is more popular in India, the federation was formed in 1965. Okay, so this is enough. We have discussed the 2 pages. Okay, so this is the image of Gurudev, who is Rabindranath Tagore, है ना? Here is the image of the great personality. Now thank you for watching this video. You can subscribe the channel for the upcoming videos. Okay, thank you.